Everyone is arguing about ChatGPT versus Claude. I think they are arguing about the wrong thing because most people still think Claude is a chatbot. It's not. In fact, what Anthropic has quietly built looks less like an AI assistant and more like an entire company. A strategist, an engineer, and an operations manager. 3 different workers, 3 different jobs, all under the same brand, and almost nobody is talking about it. What's even crazier is that most people are using the wrong one for the wrong job. They're asking an engineer to think like a strategist. They're asking a strategist to do operations, and they are wasting hours because of it. So in this video, I'm going to show you the 3 different employees hiding inside the cloud ecosystem. What each one actually does, and by understanding this, changes the way you should think about AI completely. Because by the end of this video, you might stop seeing AI as a tool and start using as a team. Let's do a quick experiment. If I say I use Google, what does that mean? Google Maps, Gmail, YouTube, or Google Drive? Nobody knows. But for some reason, people do this with Claude all the time. They say, Claude helped me build a business, or Claude automated my workflow, or Claude wrote my content. But they are often talking about completely different products, and that's where the confusion starts. Because Claude isn't one thing anymore. It's multiple tools designed for completely different purposes. And once you understand that, something interesting happens. You stop asking what's the best AI and you start asking which employee do I need right now. That's a much better question. Meet employee number 1. Imagine you're building a startup. Before you write code, before you launch, before you spend money, you need somebody who can think, someone who can help you figure out, is this idea any good? Who are the competitors? How big is the market? What's the best strategy? That's Claude Chat. The strategist, the thinker, the planner. This is Claude everyone knows. The one inside your browser, the one on your phone, the one you ask questions. And it's incredibly good at turning confusion into clarity. Need to understand a topic? Claude. Need content ideas? Claude. Need research? Claude. Need a plan? Claude. Think of it this way. If your work starts with, what should I do? You're probably looking for Claude. And this is where most people stop. They think, wow, this thing is smart. But then comes the part where almost everyone gets stuck. Because having a plan and building something are 2 complete different things. And that's where employee number 2 walks into the room. The employee that's scaring developers now. Imagine it's Friday night, you have a startup idea, Claude helped you validate it, you know the market, you know the audience, you know exactly what you want to build. Now comes the hard part, actually building it. A year ago, this would have meant hiring a developer or learning to code or spending weeks watching tutorials. Today, something very different is happening, and this is where Claude Code enters the picture. Here's the easiest way to think about it. Claude Chat is architect. Claude Code is the construction crew. One designs the building, the other starts putting bricks together. Claude Code works inside your development environment. It can understand projects, read files, write files, fix bugs, create features, refactor messy code, and help ship software faster. The important thing is this. Claude Chat tells you how, Claude Code starts doing. And that's a huge shift. For years, AI was mostly advice. Now it became execution. And that's why developers are paying attention, not because it replaces developers, but because it turns one developer into something much more powerful. And here's the funny thing, not everybody wants to build software. Most people don't even want to see a terminal window. Which brings us to the least talked about employee in the company. And honestly, this might be the most underrated one. The employee nobody talks about. So let me ask you something. How much of your work is actually difficult? And how much of it is just repetitive? Think about it. Downloading files, organizing folders, updating spreadsheets, moving information from one place to another, creating reports, sending updates, repeating the same process over and over again. Most people don't have a knowledge problem. They have a workflow problem. And that's exactly what Cowork is designed to solve. Think of Cowork as the operations manager, the person making sure things actually happen, not the strategist, not the engineer, the operator. You tell it what needs to get done and it handles the process. No coding, no complicated setup, no technical expertise required. And here's the interesting part. This is the Claude product that many people need the most, yet it's often the one they have never heard about. Because while everyone's talking about smarter AI, the real productivity gains often come from eliminating repetitive work, and that's exactly what Cowork is built for. The part nobody realizes now. Here's where things get really interesting. Most people are comparing these products. Claude versus Claude Code, Claude versus ChatGPT, Claude Code versus Cursor. They are treating them like competitors. I think that's the wrong way to look at it, because these tools aren't competing with each other, they are cooperating. Think about a real company. The strategist doesn't compete with the engineer doesn't compete with operations. They work together, and that's exactly how these tools become powerful. Imagine this: Friday evening, you get an idea, Claude helps validate it. Saturday morning, Claude Code helps build it. Sunday afternoon, Cowork automates the repetitive parts. 3 different tools, one outcome. That's not 3 products, that's an AI team, and that's the shift most people haven't noticed yet. The bigger story, most people think AI is getting smarter, and it is. But I think something much more important is happening. AI is becoming specialized. We are moving away from one chatbot that tries to do everything and towards AI workers designed for specific jobs. The strategist, the engineer, the operator, and cloud is probably one of the clearest examples of that future. Because what Anthropic has built isn't just an AI assistant anymore. It's the early version of an AI company. And once you start thinking about AI that way, everything changes. You stop asking which model is smarter and start asking which worker should I hire for this task. That's where the real productivity gains happen. So the next time somebody tells you, I use Claude, ask them one question. Which one? Because Claude Chat helps you think, Claude Code helps you build, Cowork helps you execute. 3 different workers, 3 different jobs, one ecosystem. And if you have been only using one of them, you might be leaving a lot of productivity on the table. So which one are you using? Let me know in the comments.